Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am sharing my review about Roop Mantra Herbal Facial Kit. It is made with goodness of natural oil and herbal extract. It contains 5-step facial cleanser, scrub, gel, face pack and cream. The kit itself mentions complete details how to use it. You just have to follow step-by-step process. Cost of this facial kit is $398, but you can get discount on this easily and shelf life is 2 years. So yes, let's get started, but before, please do subscribe my channel and hit that bell button for notifications. So first step is cleansing milk. Apply sufficient quantity of cleansing milk on face and neck. Massage gently for 2-3 minutes and then wipe off to remove extra skin dirt and excess oil. So your skin is ready for exfoliation now. Now take some amount of scrub and then start scrubbing all over your face and neck. Make sure you do it very gently. Also, the granules of this scrub is little big, so if you have sensitive skin, then please avoid this scrub. Otherwise, it's okay. Focus on your problematic area like around your nose or your chin, and then wash it off your face and wipe off. Now next step is massage gel. Make sure your skin is completely dry. So apply good amount of this papaya and orange gel and massage it for good 5 to 10 minutes. This is my favorite step in facial. Also, I really like this gel. The next step is face pack. Apply a thick layer on clean face and neck. It gives very cooling effect and also spread very easily. It also helps to remove sun tan. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with water. Now as you can see, my skin looks very clean and healthy. Now last step is Nourishing Cream. Take good amount of cream and massage in circular and upward motion. Do it for good 5 to 10 minutes as open pores get nourished and filled with nourishing oil. This facial kit gives you clear, fresh and well moisturized skin tone. It's good for all skin types. Smell of this product is also very nice. Quantity will last you up to 3 to 4 facials at home. This product is so underrated but does its job really well, just like other highly branded facial kit. So give this a try next time, you will be not disappointed. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.